In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create QR codes for Shopify. QR codes can be a simple and effective way to send customers directly to a product in your Shopify store. You can use them on flyers, product packaging, posters, business cards, inserts, or any other marketing material where you want shoppers to scan and visit a specific product quickly. Shopify has an official free app called Shopcodes that helps you create these QR codes directly from your admin dashboard, so you do not need to use a separate third-party QR code generator. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your Shopify account, look at the left side menu and find the section labeled Apps. This is where Shopify keeps installed apps, app settings, and options for adding new tools to your store. Click on Apps so you can open the app area and begin looking for the QR code tool. Now that you are in the Apps section, search for the free official Shopcodes app by Shopify. Make sure you are selecting the official app from Shopify because this is the app designed specifically for creating Shopify product QR codes. When you find the Shopcodes app, click Install. Shopify may show you an installation or permission screen before the app is added to your store. Review the information shown on the screen, then continue with the installation. After the app has been installed, you will be able to open it from your Shopify dashboard. Go back to your Apps area if needed, and select Shopcodes from the list of installed apps. This will open the Shopcodes interface, where you can create and manage QR codes for your products. Take a moment to let the page load fully, especially if this is the first time you are opening the app. Once you are inside the Shopcodes app, look for the button that says Create Shopcode. This is the option you will use whenever you want to generate a new QR code for a product in your Shopify store. Click Create Shopcode to start setting up your new code. The next screen is where you will decide what the QR code should do when a customer scans it. You will now choose whether you want the QR code to link to a product page or directly to a product checkout. If you choose a product page, the customer will be taken to the product listing, where they can view details, images, pricing, and options before buying. If you choose product checkout, the QR code can take the customer more directly toward purchasing that item. This checkout option may also allow you to apply an optional discount code, depending on how you want to structure your promotion. After choosing the type of destination for the QR code, search for the specific product you want to link. Use the search field inside the Shopcodes app and type the product name or relevant product information. When the correct product appears in the results, select it. Be sure to choose the right product, especially if your store has similar item names or multiple versions of the same product. Once the product is selected and the settings look correct, click Create Shopcode. Shopify will generate the QR code based on the product and destination type you selected. This is the point where the app turns your settings into an actual scannable code that customers can use. Wait for the creation process to finish before moving on. When the shopcode has been created, click Download Shopcode. You can save the QR code as a PNG or SVG image file, depending on how you plan to use it. PNG is commonly used for simple digital or print materials, while SVG can be useful when you need a scalable file for higher quality design work. After downloading the file, you can place it into your marketing materials, such as posters, labels, packaging inserts, or promotional graphics. And that is all there is to it. You have installed the official Shopcodes app, created a QR code for a Shopify product, and downloaded the file so you can use it in your marketing.